How does it work? The 540 needles beard roller creates thousands of microscopic channels and activates the body's natural healing process, increases blood circulation, stimulates sleeping follicles and maximizes oil absorption. The beard growth oil activates your facial hair and boosts your beard growth. Best Beard Roller. Beard Roller Kit is 0.25 mm needle size and is a safe length for household use. Just clean before any use, roll gently 5 to 10 times back and forth, horizontally, vertically and diagonally. The process is not painful, only a tingling sensation. It also helps wrinkles and improve pigmentation. Healthier thicker beard. Beard Growth Kit will change your beard growth. Beard Roller help promote a much healthier, thicker beard, stimulates sleeping follicles. Beard Growth Oil provides vitamins and nutrients needed for beard growth. Natural effective. Our beard oil growth, beard serum, beard balm, are made of purely natural ingredients and have been tested professionally. The active ingredients can help facial hair growth for men. Beard balm can be smoothed, straightened and controlled beard, and your looks more attractive. Perfect gift for men. Looking for a Christmas gift for your loved one? Watney Beard Set works great for any type of beard, long, short, thick or thin. Beard Growth Kit is a perfect present for a beard man on birthday, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Christmas Day or any other special occasion. Top reviews from the United States. For men of culture. I've used this product for a while now and have also been in a stable relationship for roughly the same amount of time. I'll leave it that.